All right, Ottawa, my 2020 challenge this year is to cook my way through the Ottawa Cooks cookbook. It has all kinds of different chefs profiling different restaurants. I think there's over 100 different recipes from all local chefs. So I'm gonna cook my way through and I'm gonna document the whole thing and show you guys. So I'm gonna start off with Patrick Garland's recipe from Absinthe Cafe. Chocolate Moelleux with crème anglaise and raspberry coulis. It says to chill your pan. 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 pound of dark chocolate, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of flour, your eggs. Add the 1 cup of sugar to your 4 eggs. Add your cocoa powder to your flour. That should be good. You want to boil a pot of water, put your 1/2 pound of chocolate on it so it melts. Add a cup of butter. I'm gonna add your sugar and egg combo. Add your wet mix to your dry mix. Then you want to mix this together. All right. Then you want to get your pan out of the freezer. Coat your pan in butter. Dust it with a bit of cocoa powder. It should look something like this. Add your cake to a roasting pan. Fill it up with water halfway up the side. Should be it. Now we're gonna put our cake in the oven for about 30 minutes. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes since we took the pan out of the oven. All right. So I guess this is the ultimate test. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I haven't had Patrick's at Absinthe Cafe, but I guess I should to compare. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a 9. I'm not a baker, but I think it turned out pretty damn good.